Hi, how are you all? Hope you're all safe and well immune fighting against the COVID situations really well. Today's worldwide health is totally into trouble because of one common reason, vitamin D deficiency. So here I am to discuss the significance of vitamin D in total human health. How you have low vitamin D, or what are the major signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency? Number 1, muscle pain. Vitamin D plays a major role in maintaining the muscle strength as well as muscle contraction. So one who is in insufficient vitamin D might face muscle spasm or sometimes muscle pain. Number 2 is bone pain. Vitamin D also plays a major role in nourishing the bone tissues to maintain a proper bone density. One who is having low vitamin D can face osteoporosis resulting in osteomalacia or sometimes rickets. Number 3, fatigue and low endurance. One who is in lack of vitamin D may face tiredness, sleeplessness in the daytime, or sometimes low endurance while doing any physical work. Number 4 is low moods. The brain has certain receptors to absorb the vitamin D and produce monoamines, which include the neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, etc. So low level of vitamin D in turn reduces the neurotransmitters, resulting in low mood as well as depression. This is most common during winter where we doesn't have any sun rays to form vitamin D. So in this winter season, who all have depression can substitute the vitamin D with a supplement. Number 5, insomnia. Vitamin D plays a major role in good quality sleep. One who is not having sufficient vitamin D may face insomnia or disturbed sleep pattern, which may result in tiredness. This is because vitamin D is utilized to form the melatonin secretion from the brain, which in turn induces sleep. So people who are suffering from long-term insomnia necessarily need to take the vitamin D test and supplement with vitamin D. Number 6, sweaty hair. Usually our body temperature is maintained as 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. So if our body temperature is more than this, then our immune system will produce a sweat to balance the temperature. But in case your head and the scalp is alone sweating out a lot compared to the other body parts, then you might have low vitamin D. It is necessary to check and maintain the same with proper vitamin D inducing supplements. Number 7 is hair fall. Vitamin D plays a major role also in good quality hair and hair growth because it stimulates the hair follicles for a healthy and proper hair growth. One who is running out of vitamin D may have hair thinning or lack of hair and even alopecia, where our own hair cells or hair follicles are destroyed by our immunity, giving a patchy appearance over the scalp. Number 8 is wound healing. Like in diabetes, the diabetic wounds cannot heal sooner. Even the vitamin D deficiency can lead to late wound healing because vitamin D also plays a major role in rebuilding the skin. Number 9, dizziness. Vitamin D plays a major role in maintaining the functioning of the inner ear. Researchers state that there are vitamin D receptors inside the inner ear to maintain the calcium channel transport, where the calcium crystals are maintained in balance. If the calcium crystals inside the inner ears are lodged out, then one may have nausea, dizziness, vertigo, making the symptom of world spinning around. Number 10, heart diseases. Vitamin D plays a major role in healthy arteries, the blood circulation, etc. So one who is in insufficient vitamin D, they may have cardiac problems, cardiac arrest, high blood pressure, and sometimes even stroke. Number 11, obesity. Since vitamin D plays a major role in calcium absorption, calcium is not only necessary for the bone density but also for proper metabolism. So once there is lack of vitamin D, the metabolism is also disturbed, resulting in overweight, otherwise known as obesity. Number 12, immune system. One who is in insufficient vitamin D may not have a proper immune system, resulting in various other ailments to combat the virus or infections around us. Number 13, nervous system. Vitamin D also plays a major role in maintaining the proper structure of the nerve cell. One who is in insufficient vitamin D can lead to sooner aging, resulting in Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and other mind-related or nerve-related problems. Here comes the last but not least, infertility. Vitamin D deficiency have nowadays become a more problem in reproduction. Men who are suffering from low vitamin D result in low testosterone as well as low sperm count. Women who are having low vitamin D end up in anovulation or sometimes even irregular periods, low AMH, resulting in infertility. So it is always better to maintain our vitamin D in normal for a proper physical, mental and reproductive health. So these many signs and symptoms is only because of vitamin D. How we are going to maintain the vitamin D, as it's become universally low. All the peoples are suffering from low vitamin D, which causes various physical, mental and biological, even reproductive problems. To maintain the vitamin D, what we are going to do? We must expose ourselves to the sunlight at least for 15 to 30 minutes, mainly in the evening time between 4 and 5. If you are not having enough sunlight or your work pattern is like that, you can very well go for a proper balanced vitamin D foods which are rich in vitamin D. For example, if you are a non-vegetarian, you can go for fish, eggs, including the yolk, milk, etc. If you are a vegetarian, then obviously you can go for cereals, millets, lot of green leafy vegetables, seeds, nuts, etc. Even the plants, animals are more healthier compared to human beings, since it is always exposed to the forest naturally and along with the sunlight. It is maintaining its reproductive system even healthier compared to the man. To fight against this, at least let's synthesize our own vitamin D by exposing ourselves to sunlight for at least 15 to 30 minutes, mainly in the evening time between 4 and 5. Or otherwise, you can have sun-dried foods. For example, sun-dried amla, sun-dried ginger can also absorb the vitamin D for you while taking it as a supplement. Hope you all find this video useful, and you can just leave your comments or your questions in the comment section below, and meet you all soon with some other health topic. Until then, stay healthy, take care. Thank you.